Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are enjoying good health. Today we are going to do our next page number 83. At page 83, here we have subtraction. Students, what is subtraction? Let me tell you. The process of taking one number or amount away from the another number or amount. Here we have question number 1. Write the number in the box. What should be subtracted? One has been done for you. Students, here we have some numbers. We are going to subtract them. But today we are not going to find out the answer. We are going to find out the second number. Students, here we have point A and this one point is done for our help. Here we have 5 subtract is equal to 3. We are going to find out the number. 5 is the bigger number and 3 is the smaller number. We are going to count towards 3 and reach at the number 5. 3, 4, 5. Students, we reach at the number 5. How many dots here we have? 1, 2. And 2 is already written here. When we subtract 2 from 5, the answer is 3. Go for the next one. Here we have point B. At point B, here we have the number 6 is equal to the number 4. Which one number we are going to subtract from the number 6 and we got answer 4? Which one? Let's solve it. Here we have the bigger number is 6 and the smaller number is 4. We are going to count towards 4 and reach at the number 6. 4, 5, 6. Students, we reach at the number 6. How many dots here we have? 1, 2. We are going to write 2 here. When we subtract 2 from 6, we got answer 4. 6 subtract 2 is equal to 4. Go for the next one. Here we have point C. At point C, here we have the number 9. Subtract. We are going to find out this number is equal to 2. Students, which number we are going to subtract from 9 and got answer 2? Let's solve it. 9 is the bigger number and 2 is the smaller one. We are going to count towards 2 and reach at the number 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Students, we reach at the number 9. Let's count. How many dots here we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots. We are going to write 7 here. When we subtract 7 from 9, we got answer 2. 9 subtract 7 is equal to 2. Go for the next one. Here we have point D. At point D, here we have the number 13. Subtract is equal to the number 8. 13 is the bigger number and 8 is the smaller one. We are going to find out the second number. For this, we will count towards 8 and reach at the number 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Students, we reach at the number 13. Let's count. How many dots here we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we have 5 dots. Let's write 5 here. Students, when we subtract 5 from the number 13, we got answer 8. 13 subtract 5 is equal to 8. Go for the next one. Here we have the point E. At point E, here we have the number 14 and we are going to find out the second number. Then the answer will be equal to 9. 14 is the bigger number and 9 is the smaller number. We are going to count towards 9 and reach at the number 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Students, we reach at the number 14. Let's count. How many dots here we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. We are going to write 5 here. When we subtract 5 from the number 14, we got answer 9. 14 subtract 5 is equal to 9. Go for the next one. Here we have the point F. At point F, here we have the number 19. We are going to find out the second number equal to 11. Students, 19 is a bigger number, 11 is the smaller number. We are going to count towards 11 and reach at the number 19. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Students, we reach at the number 19. Let's count how many dots here we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots. We are going to write 8 here. When we subtract the number 8 from the number 19, we got answer 11. 19 subtract 8 is equal to 11. Go for the next one. Here we have point G. At point G, here we have the number 7. We are going to find out the second number equal to 5. 7 is the bigger number and 5 is the smaller one. We are going to count towards 5 and reach at the number 7. 5, 6, 7. Students, we reach at the number 7. How many dots here we have? 1, 2. We are going to write 2 here. When we subtract the number 2 from the number 7, we got answer 5. 7 subtract 2 is equal to 5. Go for the next one. Here we have point H. At point H, here we have the number 8. Subtract, we are going to find out the second number is equal to 6. Students, 8 is the bigger number and 6 is the smaller one. We are going to count towards 6 and reach at the number 8. 6, 7, 8. Students, we reach at the number 8. Let's count how many dots here we have. 1, 2. We are going to write 2 here. When we subtract the number 2 from the number 8, we got answer 6. 8 subtract 2 is equal to 6. Go for the next one. Here we have point I. At point I, here we have the number 11. We are going to find out the second number equal to 7. 11 is the bigger number and 7 is the smaller one. We are going to count towards 7 and reach at the number 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Students, we reach at the number 11. Let's count how many dots here we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to write 4 here. When we subtract the number 4 from the number 11, we got answer 7. 11 subtract 4 is equal to 7. Go for the next one. Here we have point J. At point J, here we have the number 15. We are going to find out the second number is equal to 10. 15 is the bigger number and 10 is the smaller one. Students, we are going to count towards 10 and reach at the number 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Students, we reach at the number 15. Let's count how many dots here we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. We are going to write 5 here. When we subtract the number 5 from the number 15, we got answer 10. 15 subtract 5 is equal to 10. Go for the next one. Here we have point K. At point K, here we have the number 18. We are going to find out the second number is equal to 15. 18 is the bigger number and 15 is the smaller one. We are going to count towards 15 and reach at the number 18. 15, 16, 17, 18. Students, we reach at the number 18. Let's count how many dots here we have. 1, 2, 3 dots. We are going to write 3 here. When we subtract the number 3 from the number 18, we got answer 15. 18 subtract 3 is equal to 15. Go for the next one. Here we have the point L. At point L, here we have the number 20. Subtract, we are going to find out the second number is equal to 12. 20 is the bigger number and 12 is the smaller one. We are going to count towards 12 and reach at the number 20. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Students, we reach at the number 20. Let's count how many dots here we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots. We are going to write 8 here. When we subtract the number 8 from the number 20, we got answer 12. 20 subtract 8 is equal to 12. Students, we complete our today's work. You have to do it in neat way. Stay at your home, stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.